What's up everybody, Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and today I'm doing some kind of basic maintenance on the Jeep. It's not always about cool installs and fun runs and everything here at Bold Canyon Outdoors. We actually take care of our stuff. Today I threw an engine code with a stuck thermostat. Now my thermostat is stuck closed, which is never a good thing. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that thermostat. So what we're gonna need is a couple of tools, a thermostat, some coolant, and we're rocking and rolling. So let's get started. Now replacing the thermostat is actually relatively easy. It's actually located right down here under the throttle body and isn't too hard to get to. But what we're going to need to do is take a flathead screwdriver and loosen this air intake hose from the throttle body and from the air box itself. Disconnect the sensor underneath. And then remove these two 10mm bolts attaching it to the radiator shroud. Once everything is loose, we can pull out that intake hose and set it aside. With the air intake hose out of the way, we have much better access to the thermostat, which is right here. Now the thermostat and thermostat housing are one piece for this car. It's connected to the upper radiator hose with this hose clamp here, and then some 10mm bolts right here, and the whole thing will actually pop off. Next up, let's squeeze the hose clamp on that upper radiator hose and release it. Now you will have some coolant come out, so make sure you have a catch basin underneath. With the upper radiator hose disconnected, you can go ahead and take the thermostat housing off. The thermostat housing has two 10mm bolts, one on top and one on the bottom. Once both bolts are out of the thermostat, it comes right out. So there is the thermostat and housing for the 3.6 liter in the JK. Now make sure the thermostat gasket comes out with it, because the new thermostat is going to have a new gasket. There's the old one. There's the brand new one. As you can see, it has a gasket built into it. Now this thermostat doesn't require any gasket seal or any silicone, anything like that, but I do like to make sure that the whole surface is nice and clean, just in case any debris got on it or anything like that. Once you're satisfied that it's clean, you can take the new thermostat and set it in place. Then replace the two bolts holding it on. Now remember, this is a plastic housing, and even though it's a plastic housing, it does have these metal inserts in it. You're only supposed to torque these down to about 20 foot-pounds. Once it's secure, go ahead and put the hose back on. Radiator hose is back on. The thermostat is torqued to spec. We'll go ahead and replace the intake hose, connect the sensor, top off the coolant, and we're good to go. like that. We got a new thermostat in, no more check engine code, and we're good to go with the BCO Adventure Jeep. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. And if you need any tips on basic maintenance, go ahead and ask away. That's what I'm here for. So that's it for now. For Bold Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.